Just hi, I miss you, I love you. Please buy me this, please buy me that.
Someone comes and something because the battery's gonna go.
Hey! Hey! I can't be that crazy. Hi. Okay, this is so awkward.
Yeah, this is she comes to eat breakfast,
Lunch,
and supper. Yeah,
supper.
as you can see, it's all our food.
Hope you're good. Say hi to Sam. What did you bro, Mari? Hope you fine.
Big Rakesh wanted.
Yeah, is that it?
Yeah, we're good.
We're
We miss you. We love you. Mwah. Big. Look at you, Big Rakesh.
Yeah?
We saw Natasha and Michelle. We were very happy to see them, to have finally met them. As you can see. Okay, we love you. We miss you.